Welcome to the world's newest Apple Store, located in the Amo Fashion Mall in Torrance, California. By newest, I mean literally it just opened 20 minutes ago, and the lines are out the door and continue to get longer as the day goes on. Usually on launch day, I'd be at the Apple Cerritos store, where the business team there is absolutely fantastic and has been fantastic over the last several years and always hooks me up with new phones on launch day. I'll be going there after this to pick up my new iPhone 16 Pro Max, but I figured given that this store is brand new and today is the grand opening and iPhone launch day that I would swing by and check it out and give you all a sneak peek. I did notice some folks online saying that they were accustomed to going to Cerritos, but in their app it automatically selected the new Amo store, which is where I imagine a lot of these people are coming from, not just here to see the grand opening. Shout out to the Apple business team for always being fantastic and making sure I get new phones on launch day. No, this video is not sponsored by Apple, but Apple, if you'd like to sponsor, give me a call. If you're not familiar with the Apple business team, they're an incredible group of folks who are highly trained by Apple and at Apple to help with business-specific matters. They've gotten me through priority issues, they've gotten me in the door on launch day year after year, way ahead of this line, which could be hours long, especially if you don't have an appointment. They've managed to help me with tutorials and figuring out advanced issues, and have lots of programs that you can take advantage of. Anybody who uses Apple products for work, I highly recommend you find your local Apple business store and begin a relationship with your Apple business representative. This store behind me is part of Apple's latest initiative to expand, I think, approximately 50 stores around the country or even around the world, and was selected and decided back in 2020 or 2021. I'll throw the website with the info up here on the screen. It takes a long time to put an Apple store together, a lot of meticulous planning and designing. Let's go inside and take a look. Perks of going to the Apple Store on launch day: custom Apple water bottles. Heading into the Los Cerritos Center Mall. And holy crap, is that the line? All the way back here? It is. Launch day operations are in full swing. I don't know why the line is so big back there if nobody's over here, but hey, that's how it goes. Welcome to the legendary Cerritos Apple Mall. It is one of the highest volume movers in the country for Apple stores, and that is evident today on launch day. It doesn't look like much behind me because there's not as many people in the store. However, there is not one, but two lines outside with people wrapped, probably 200 or 300 people standing in line waiting to get into the store, and that's only going to get worse as the day goes on. Also, from the previous store, I was showing off this bottle and everybody got excited when they saw it. Now, apparently, this bottle is a one-of-a-kind, or one of several hundred, that they gave out at the Amo store, the new one that I mentioned previously. And everybody here at the Apple store, all the employees, were jealous because I got one and they didn't. So, sorry guys, next time I'll have to grab a couple more for you. Also, of course, I got not one, but two brand new iPhones. One of them is from my sister-in-law, who was begging me to pick one up for her on launch day, and the other one is for me. I, of course, got the base level 256 gig, and she got the 512 because she takes a hell of a lot more photos and videos than I do, if that's even possible. Interestingly enough, a lot of the branding here is all talking about Apple Intelligence and the glow up and all of that jazz, and mysteriously or not mysteriously, it's not available. It's not going to be available, at least for probably a couple more weeks. Now, the beta of 18.1, I believe it is, did drop, the public beta, did roll out and has Apple Intelligence on it. I have it on my existing iPhone. Obviously, I haven't opened these yet, but I have it on my existing iPhone, and it's buggy. One thing that everyone is noting is that Apple Intelligence is noticeably missing on launch day. It has rolled out in the beta, and you can get it if you enroll in the public beta, but on the regular phones on launch day, it is not here. They've even gone as far as decorating the famous 24-hour Fifth Avenue Apple Store in Manhattan with a glow-up with colorful LED lighting and Apple associates outside shouting, "When I say A, you say I."
When I say A, you say I. A, I.
And I'm going, when I say A, you say where the hell is it, or when is it coming, because we haven't seen it yet. An AI that is available now is Box AI, today's sponsor, which is designed to deal with your unstructured data and bring new insights to your information. Many organizations around the world, including mine, have information in documents, in videos, in spreadsheets, in slides, spread throughout the organization, and it is very difficult to keep track and keep secure all of that information. Box AI is a new layer that goes on top of your documents and on top of your information for you to be able to ask questions, ask it to help you with tasks such as summarizing or classifying documents to make sure that your data stays secure. Click the link down below to learn more about Box AI, and as always, thank you to Box for sponsoring this video so that I can continue buying amazing new iPhones and making videos like these. Now to go back to the studio and unbox my new iPhone and get it set up. As mentioned before, be sure to reach out to your Apple business team because they're the ones that made it possible for me to cut the line of get in the store, get my iPhone, in fact 2 of them, which they pulled off the truck special for me. It's good to be an Apple business customer. This has been exciting reporting from the Apple stores on launch day, including the grand opening. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and as always, thanks for watching.